Nigeria. Guys, I can't keep this to myself. I want to share this beautiful products I got from KF Factory. Wow, I'm speechless. Guys, you need to feel this texture. Very beautiful. And this is 30 inches dark amber. Beautiful. See their closure, one thing about their closures are perfectly done. Their product is one that your customers will keep coming to patronize you. Their hairs are nice, guys. So if you're looking for a factory to run your hair business, please, the code is KF Factory Vietnam. You have nothing to regret. And thank you so much, Miss Almar, for all the support you've given me. Thank you for the gift. She actually gave me a gift, and I appreciate you. And I'll keep coming. Love you guys. Bye.